So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to install your Eyeline Guide / Privacy Shield here to cover up your webcam when it's not in use and give you a target to look at when it is in use. So these are thin enough to work on a laptop computer, and I want to show you how to install it. So slide it out so you can see the hole that the webcam is going to look through, and pull up something like Zoom where you can see yourself. So these are thin enough to work on a laptop, and so what you'll do is slide it open so that you can see the hole that the webcam looks through, and we're going to peel off this 3M tape here. So let me just peel that off. Just peel off the backing there. And now you'll just hold it by this side and find the spot where you can see that it's going directly through the center of this, and there's no edges showing. That means you've got it right around your webcam. So then I like to put my thumb over it and just let this fall down and put it on there nice and tight. And now you can see here when I'm not using my webcam and when I am using my webcam. So my wife did point out that the green light is no longer visible. That's true, but that's okay, because when you're not using your webcam, it will be covered up. But the green light is right next to the camera. It's not on top of the camera, but this is close enough to the camera that it will look like you are looking into the lens. Now for external webcams like this, sometimes, as you can see, I've got Skype up here. Sometimes it's just not a big enough hole because the webcam is so wide. So what you can do with these guys, this makes it really easy. Just cut that off with a scissors. Just cut the whole part off with the scissors. Pull that backing off. And then set it in place and make sure you're looking at the screen, that you're not over the top of it. Drop that in place. And then you can see once again, if you slide it over, you can't see anything on the screen. And now you've got the spot where your eyes should be focusing. My clients have told me that these are really helpful for them in terms of having something to look at. We like to look into each other's eyes. And if you're looking down at the screen when you record, the person on the other side, it doesn't look like you're looking into their eyes. You have to look into the camera. By having this up here, it gives you a great spot, very natural way to connect with your viewer.